Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. Today in this video, I want to show you guys just a quick little demonstration on how to restore your trims right here. So oftentimes with these trims, they can be very finicky just because sometimes in this case, this is a gloss black plastic. In other cases, you may have like a matte surface, or sometimes what it is, it's like a sticker, like a OEM sticker that goes on there. We don't recommend polishing that, but in this case, in this video, since this is a gloss piece and it is oxidized and very scratched up, we're gonna show you guys how to restore it using just a few simple steps. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna go ahead and wanna mask off your area. So in this case, we'll go ahead and mask off half of this section so that you can see the before and after. And you also wanna make sure you mask off any surrounding trims, such as the seals, these rubber seals. You wanna make sure you don't get any compound on them. If you do get compound on them, or if you've gotten wax or any kind of products like that on there, you can always grab a bottle of Trim Clean, which is a bottle designed to remove any kind of coats of oils, such as dressings or waxes that you get onto your plastic trims. So we'll go ahead and finish this right up. We'll mask it off nicely so that we don't have those problems, and get that nice and on there. The next step you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna clean and prep the surface. So for that, I'm gonna use Wipeout, which is a surface cleanser spray. This is gonna remove any kind of oils, grime, dirt that's embedded in this plastic trim so that we can clean it and get it prepped for polishing. Very simple to do. Don't have to go crazy with it. Just spray it, wipe it, and dry it right off. Once that's dry, our tool of choice today is going to be our TORQ Rotary, and we're going to have a 3-inch rotary backing plate on there with a flexible backing plate. So that right there, when you go ahead and put pressure on it, it'll curve just in case we get onto any curved areas. This does work on this painted plastic. It also works on paint as well. So on an area like this where it's nice and curved on this little contour here, it will work out great. This right here is a flat panel, so we're not gonna have to worry about it too much. And our compound of choice is gonna be V34. V34 is a hybrid compound, which works out great for more moderate, more heavier kind of scratches and swirls. And keep in mind, this is rotary, so we wanna make sure we blot this out on the surface. Make sure that when you grab this cord, throw it over your shoulder so that it doesn't make contact with the paint. And then you're gonna go ahead and simply turn this on, off the panel, and work it onto the panel. Then you're gonna just work the product onto the surface. And just like that, you'll see the pad gets all that oxidation, all that layer of grime that was on there. We'll set our machine down. We'll wipe off the remaining product. And then we're simply gonna go ahead and take off our tape here so we can unveil the 50-50 difference here. And you'll see a drastic difference in terms of shine, clarity, gloss, versus scratched and swirled that the top is. You can tell on the bottom side, the clarity is much more nicer. It's a deeper, glossier black. It doesn't look as oxidized, faded, and scratched up as that top piece was. So the machine, the way you use the machine is you wanna work the product until it becomes fully clear. I did forget to mention that, but you wanna work the product with the pad on the surface until the product breaks down, because it is an aggressive compound. So that's gonna, you're gonna wanna wait for it to break down, work it until the machine dissipates the product, and then it'll become clear and ready for you to wipe off. So from there, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the remaining part of this trim and this back piece of the trim as well. We'll get the whole vehicle done on the other side as well. If you guys like these products, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, comment down below what you want to see next time. And if you want to pick up these products today, make sure to visit our website, www.chemicalguys.com, in order to pick them up today. My name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. We'll see you guys next time.